You need to stop closing the background apps on your phone. Okay, I'll explain it. It's a very common misconception that if you close the background apps on your phone could save battery or you could increase your phone's performance. This is absolutely not true. In fact, it could have the opposite effect. Most background apps aren't running. In fact, when you close an app from the multitasking screen, it doesn't truly shut down. The apps are essentially frozen and your system displays a screenshot of them for consistency. So closing them doesn't even impact your battery life or free up any memory. In fact, it can worsen your battery life because reopening an app from storage consumes more energy than resuming it from a suspended state. Another very common myth is that closing apps may make your phone faster. The reality is the opposite. Initializing an app from storage takes longer than resuming it from suspension. Therefore, closing apps can actually slow down your phone. Here's what you can do instead. Limit your background refreshes to reduce any unnecessary resource usage. And also, consider using low power mode to manage background processes more efficiently. And just like that, we have busted a very common tech misconception. And remember to follow 8th Avenue for more tech misconceptions busted and tech terms explained, and I'll explain it.